blows up. Oh. I think we can go faster.
Do I go?
We're going to find out up here in a minute, aren't we? I think we can drive through this.
What?
Holy bacon.
Dad, what if the car blows up?
Wow, we're dead. Just keep driving. Not too fast. We'll be okay.
Dad, this is insane.
I know. We don't want to get trapped in here. Easy, easy. All right, we're good, we're good, we're good. Slow down, slow down. Big rut here. Just slow down. We're out of that fire.
You're not out of the pit, Dad. Oh my God.
All right, we're good. Slow down, slow down.
Dad, no.
Yes, we're out.
We're not out.
We're good though.
What? Dad.
Easy, easy, easy.
Oh my God.
Keep going, go. Easy, easy. Easy, easy, can't see, just go easy now. Easy.
Dad, the car's heating up, it's gonna explode.
We're alright.
Oh, Jesus, God, help us.
We're alright, slow it down. Okay, you slow it down so we can see, Jess.
Dad, what if a tree falls on us?
We're okay, slow it down.
Please, God, help us.
You're doing good, you're doing good.
Oh my God. Dad, we can't get out.
I'm getting out. You can't drive back. We get that out of the road. We get gloves.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Dad, we gotta get out of here.
Back it up.
Dad, we gotta get out of here.
All right, back up. Watch your hair. Back up.